In this video, we will show you how you can quickly transfer the trip information to your client as soon as the trip is booked in the Sales module of Leon. This feature is present in the Ops and Crew tab, and it's called Share the Trip. When you click this button, a window will pop up and you will be able to specify all the recipients and send the link to the trip information. The second possibility to send this link to your client is to do it when applying the status to booked in your request. In this case, the link can be added right away to the message and will be visible like this. If you want to use this setup, you need to complete it in the settings in Email Templates. If you enter your quote booked template, you need to just add the quote sharing URL text to the template. When the recipient will click on the link, they will see the trip sharing information and also the text that can be customizable. They would need to accept the terms of service and click on Proceed. Now they will see all the details of the flight. Also, these colors can be changed, so instead of blue color, you can see your company color.